Basically everything that can be friction or that makes things difficult in a sales procedure, we've taken it and just gotten rid of it and done just the opposite.
At Aqua Systems, we take all of that hassle out, and there's no negotiating because we don't have any commissioned salespeople. So somebody can bring a sample into the store, talk to someone that's not on commission, they'll test their water, explain to them exactly what it is that they want to solve. Our person then can become more of an assistant buyer and literally kind of give them what their options are.
Pricing is transparent. If you're buying a product, you can get the price immediately with a phone call. You can get the price on the internet. You can come see us in the store. We will come see you at your house. It's all about what is convenient for you, the customer.
Our main plant is in Avon, Indiana. We've had over 50,000 square feet under roof. We do all of the assembly of building all the equipment here on our water softeners. We have a bottled water plant that goes through about 55,000 5 gallons in a day.
So we build and test and check and double check everything as we do it. We really like to have the control of whatever product we're giving you. We know that our stamp of quality is on it, and it happens right here. Most of our softeners, our premium line, is built to be the last softener you'll ever have to buy. And we have engineered the components in such a manner that they easily separate. So every component that goes into your water treatment equipment can be separated from the system. 9, 10, 12, 15 years down the road, if you have a problem, you can just swap the part and you don't have to buy a new unit.
Aqua Systems is built on family values. We are here with you. We're in your neighborhoods. Our best testament is if we don't get to go home and change our shirt and we got to go to our kids' ball game and oh, I got your system. We love that.
And we're in multiple states. We're across the country. We have dealers all over the United States, and each region has its own water problems, and we've dealt with all of them. So our breadth of water knowledge over the last 60 years, plus the team that we have, which has hundreds of years of combined experience, we really know what we're doing when it comes to fixing your water. Transparency and ease of doing business and making things completely risk-free are kind of the pillars we use. All of the information is there up front. You buy on your terms. You buy when you're ready. You buy in your home. You buy on the phone. You can buy over the web. You can come in and see us.
We are very confident in the products that we can offer that you're not going to find a better solution with the value and the warranty and serviceability.
We know what we're doing because we've been doing this a long time. We're easier to do business with. It's completely risk-free to do business with us, and you'll never buy another software.